Hi, this is Darlene Panzera from Aspiring Writer Academy, and today we're going to talk real quick about how to write a really great scene for your book. First, your character enters the scene with a scene goal. What do they want? What do they want to achieve? Have them take action on this goal. Have them pursue it. And then they meet three conflicts. Three sources of opposition that are going to try and stop them from achieving that scene goal. Then we have the scene disaster, and the character, yes, either gets their goal, but now there's complications and consequences attached to it that's going to make their life more complicated. No, they did not get their goal, and they're blocked. They have to choose another path to achieve their overall story goal, come up with a new goal, or no, and furthermore. So no, they did not achieve their scene goal, and furthermore, because they tried, now they're in even worse shape than before. Brainstorm 10 possible scene-ending disasters that can hook your reader, captivate them into turning to the next page. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss future videos. And if you need help plotting your story, go to aspiringwriteracademy.com and download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet. It's 7 full pages with fill-in-the-blank templates to help you get started.